I'm going home. Shift is done. I hate working at this damn construction site. Ugh. Alexa, turn on. Oh, yeah, it's already on. I hate red lights. Come on. Come on. I don't have all day. Finally. I hate when my wife tells me to put on the seatbelt. She's like, Jim, put the seatbelt on. I can wear the seatbelt if I want. Oh. I don't care about that stop sign. Hello, honey. Yes, I'm wearing my seatbelt. I'm on to the grocery store. What do you need? Eggs and milk, you say? More pizza for Timmy. I told Timmy no more pizza. He needs to lose all that weight. What about my daughter? Wants a doll. She always wants a doll. Tell her not today because I was late today and I almost lost my job. Okay, love you. Bye. Well, I love my family, but it's like my wife just controls me when I'm in the car. It's like, put your seatbelt. Oh God.